So, as promised, here is another video to help you with your distance learning. If you go to the front page of Bont website, first of all, you will find a guide on how to use Google Classroom. This is also in year 3, 4, 5 and 6's class page areas. Google Classroom is being used by Key Stage 2. It shows you how to log on, how to find your work, how to complete your work, and how to hand it in to your teacher. If we go back to the front page, there is also a video. I hope to add a video every single day. This video here shows you how to log on to the hub and find Just Do It Easy, which is really for foundation phase. It highlights the top 4 apps on there. There are many others. As the weeks go by, I will do more detailed tutorials on these apps to help you at home. All the videos that I create will be hosted on a YouTube channel that I've created. I will share the link in the next few days. If we go to the very top, under Pupil Zone, we have Learning Aids. At the very top is Kids Activity Blog, and this shows a link to the companies that are currently offering free subscriptions due to the schools being closed. Below, we have the Maths Factors, which is Carol Vorderman's website. This became free of charge yesterday on Monday the 22nd of March. Below, a list of apps for Android and Apple devices. We even have links to Edinburgh Zoo's webcams, David Williams's audiobooks, play ideas, over 3,000 ebooks and audiobooks at World Book Online, and I'm sure you've all been doing Joe Wicks's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday workouts at 9 o'clock. There are links to Khan Academy, one of my particular favourites, superb for maths. You could learn a new language using Duolingo, and as you can see, it continues down. Why not try and get some Blue Peter badges done? Or use some of the coding sites such as Blockly, Scratch and Code.org. We continue on down. National Geographic is fantastic, as is BBC Bite Size. Dance Mat Typing, I absolutely adore. Really help with the speed of your children's typing, and is actually very funny as well. I will continue to add links as the days go by, and hopefully this will become a bit of a hub to help you all. So to recap, there'll be a video on the front page to help you, and if we go to Pupil Zone, Learning Aids, there are loads and loads of links to help you.